How y'all doing today? As part of our masculinity movement, I wanted to share some top secrets with y'all today. Because we all know there's a struggle, there's a battle, people are losing lives. Not me. Because I know all of it. I know all the right ways, all the right methods, all the right keys to turn. And I'm here today to tell y'all how it's done. It's nothing hard, it ain't complicated, it ain't 12th grade, it ain't space science. I'm gonna tell you how the fuck it's done. You don't get glasses like these for working 9 to 5. You get glasses like these by having others work 9 to 5 for you. It's not what this video is all about. You've already heard my 200-hour lecture on proper work establishments. Okay? In this video, I'm gonna tell you about the third most important thing we men care about. Okay? Now say it with me. Number 1 is success. Number 2, money. And I got plenty of that, motherfuckers. Plenty of money, plenty of success. What's the third most important thing? Ass. Ass, tits, vagina. You swimming in it. Because you ain't no man if you ain't got ass cheeks rubbing in your face 10 hours of the day. You ain't. And it's coming from me, Masculine Charles. You ain't doubting Masculine Charles. With a voice like this, okay? Voice like this, you know this man has got it. I'm gonna share these secrets with you because I knew you crave it. Okay, you crave that ass. Every time you masturbate in bed, you're just thinking, my life would be complete right now if I had 20 bitches laying in my bed sucking on my dick. And you're correct, okay? Because there's nothing more important in life than money and hoes and success and approval from your dad. Now, you don't want to marry, okay? Ain't nobody talking about marriage here. Ain't nobody talking about this kind of waste of time. If you have 20 hoes in your bed, you make sure they please you, not just in the kitchen, but in the bed. And if you're married to that bitch, she gonna be saying, "Where's the kids, motherfucker? Who fuck talking about no kids, motherfucker?" Okay, if you a successful man, okay, you don't take no kids. Okay, kids is middle class shit, motherfucker. I apologize. I don't know why I switched accents, but this is my real voice. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Number 1, you gotta get on Tinder.com. Sponsored by Bumble. But you're gonna get on Tinder. You're gonna get on Tinder and you're gonna swipe left exactly 60 times. No less, no more. Exactly 60 times. Say it with me, 60 times. When you do so, the algorithm makes sure that you have the golden sluts, okay? The sluts that like swimming in monos, which you got plenty of by now, I hope. If you haven't watched my 200-hour lecture, you don't. But by now, I'm gonna assume you're rich as fuck, you have your own business, and if I didn't say that clear enough, business! And now it's time for the golden sluts, okay? You don't need to upgrade your 60 times, swap that shit, and you're good to go. Now, you're gonna say no to the first 3 that I write you. You're gonna ride back to the 4th one. You're gonna make sure she's a redhead. You're gonna make sure she's packing, okay? Once you do this exact thing, you're gonna see the results instantly. I wrote a book about it. I know what the fuck I'm talking about, okay? I don't just write books, I read books, okay? Plenty of them. Take a look at this fine selection of books. Now, does this look like not books to you? This is books, okay? It means I read them. For example, this one right here, Metro 2033 changed my life in 2033 ways, okay? I don't deal with this beginner shit anymore, okay? These days, it's all about Bryson. Okay, this man is the biggest pussy eater you've ever seen, right? Hey, listen to me. Listen to me good, okay? You don't need advice from no psychologist. You don't need no advice from no friends, nobody. Not even yourself. You listen to me. You want success? You listen to me, okay? Now, I'm a very busy man. I'm gonna have to go. I have laundry to do. I'm just kidding. I have money laundrying to do, okay? Because I don't mess around with no laundry, and I don't mess around with no kitchen work, okay? If you listen to my 200,000 hour podcast, you would know that there are some things that women have been scientifically proven do better than men. And what are we men good at? Besides masturbating, and besides fucking hoes while we masturbating, and having hoes masturbate us, we're good at being winners. That's right, winners. Now you listen to me. If you want to be a winner, you gotta act like a winner. You don't just sit here with your balls full of seed ready to be spread around the world. You don't do that, okay? None of that business, okay? We don't play around like these. Okay? It's all about 3 things: results, applause, and hoes. No matter what kind of list you have, if hoes is not on that list, you don't bother with that list, okay? If I had a shopping list and hoes is not a part of that list, I'm not shopping, okay? I'm just not shopping, because that list is obsolete. It's been scientifically proven, okay? Fucking-typically. But like I said, I have to go now. What I'm actually gonna do, besides money laundering and fucking hoes, I'm gonna pump these muscles, okay? Because that's another thing you gotta not forget about, okay? We're masculine men, and we're forgetting sometimes that we created this entire culture based on this, okay? You see this right here? Smell it, okay? What do you smell? That's right, success, okay? You listen to me. You listen to me. You doubt this even for a second. Okay, no, that right there is success. And I'm getting to it, motherfuckers. I mean, just see that? Yeah. Yeah, don't forget to stay hydrated, okay? But yeah, if you want that, you gotta work out. So that's what the fuck I'm going to do right now. That's why I gotta go. I hope this answered your questions about success. Okay. Thank you. You can do it. I believe in you. Okay? These glasses are gonna be yours one day. But now it's actually time to go. My computer battery is dead. Adios.